Hey guys, it's Vintage B. I'll be showing you how to make this small island for Lego Pirate characters. And it's kind of just to display your guy. So this is how big it is, so it's not going to be big. So, and you have these. So, I just kind of built this, so I'm ready to build it. Here's another Lego Pirate we could show you when it's on here. So, we'll first start with the water. And we'll add like that. Now the water will look like this. And now we'll cover that up with sand like that. And now we just put these two on and it's pretty much done. Now we'll just kind of do the final touches. So on the back, you'll need 4 of these. So we'll put them each on every corner like that. And then with these, we'll put this one here, this one here, and a barrel right wherever you really want. I just put it here, I think. I might put it here, but here it is. And please subscribe and check out our other channel, Vintage J and B Gaming. Bye.